there was a red bird crossing the streets for the race. So he made it to the race, but there was no car there. So he was thinking what he would do with these pigs. So he smashed all the pigs down to find out. And he said, "Where is the car?" So he went, and then a disaster came when he was gone. A big camel crashed in the studio. Ha, ha, ha! And the crushed people and ran off. Then everybody came back and saw everyone was distracted. Who done this? So he went, and then giant camel came, and then he rolled back and said, "Where is the car?" and flipped. And heard something coming out of the belly, and opened the belly up and said, "What's there flash here? I've been eating there for years." Then she found the baby camel. What? And then what the heck? There was chocolate. Said the baby camel. So they put the thing back, the chocolate back. Then they found the car in there waiting. So they had to put the baby back when she was asleep before she knew it, and went back to bed. So then we get to see the car race. So when we were back, it wasn't fixed, and then Flash fixed it, and then the car race was back again, racing with cars around and around. The end. What's up, everybody? I hope you liked this video for today, this story. Comment down below, how do you think this happened? Peace out. I'm sorry I said it very, but it will happen. I really wanted to make a video, so I had to do it. So, peace.